Economic crisis looming ahead. The Macro and Strategy Report from June 2025 draws attention to alarming structural risks in the global economy, emphasizing key issues like persistent inflation, rising debt levels, and fiscal uncertainty. These factors are painting a picture of potential economic stagnation, a scenario that has both investors and policymakers on edge. As these concerns grow, stakeholders are closely examining how these risks could impact overall market performance, making strategic decisions more challenging amidst such uncertainties. Inflation remains a pressing issue, with prices continuing to rise at rates that outpace wage growth, squeezing household budgets and dampening consumer spending. This persistent inflationary pressure is not only a headache for central banks trying to maintain price stability, but also for policymakers who are grappling with the economic implications of these rising costs. With global supply chains still recovering from past disruptions, the pressure on prices shows little sign of abating in the near term, complicating efforts to rein in this economic challenge. Debt levels are another significant concern highlighted in the report, as many countries grapple with high public and private sector debts accumulated during past crises. This mounting debt burden poses a threat to financial stability, with the risk of defaults or restructuring events looming large. For investors, the high levels of debt introduce additional layers of risk in assessing the potential returns from various markets, complicating investment strategies in an already volatile economic landscape. Fiscal uncertainty adds to this precarious situation, with governments facing tough choices about spending priorities and taxation. Balancing the need for stimulus to support growth with the necessity of fiscal prudence is a delicate task as policymakers try to navigate through the economic fog. As these risks continue to unfold, the global economic outlook remains clouded, leaving investors and policymakers to navigate a complex and uncertain landscape, where each decision could have far-reaching implications.